Solo's smart glasses protect your eyes from blue light.
Please sit properly.
Our app with AI Care helps monitor your posture.
Remind you to drink water.
And our AI Care reminds you, the workaholic, to drink water regularly. AI Coach keeps up your well-being.
Current cadence is 167 steps per minute.
Hey, you run too fast. Where are you now?
It's also your hands-free walkie-talkie.
Hey, sorry. I'm just around the corner. I'll wait for you here. Okay.
Never lose your phone or smart glasses. Solo.
Inside, you'll find a battery case for travel and charging. A loop, you'll use it like a joystick to interact with what you see on focals. Sun clips, a cleaning cloth, USB-C cable, and a wall adapter. Focals have a display technology that is very precise and requires a few adjustments to the temple ends and nose pad arms before you continue with the rest of the setup. We have a video that will walk you through adjustments. Take a look and come back once the fit is just right. With adjustments done, let's get started. With focals and loop in the case, charge the battery case by plugging the small end of the USB-C cable into the battery case. You'll see the bottom LEDs pulse when they're charging. Start the setup process by downloading the Focals app. Open the app and turn on Focals. After you log in for the first time, the app will look for focals nearby. Follow the on-screen instructions to pair focals and loop. Next, you'll enable some permissions for things like calendar, notifications, contacts, and location, so you can get directions, order an Uber, receive messages, and stay connected no matter where you are. Focals have Alexa built in. Sign in with your Amazon account to ask Alexa anything, anywhere. One last step and you're good to go. Alignment will help your display appear as crisp as it can be. Select Alignment in the app for a quick tutorial. Wear loop and move the button to align each shape for a clear focals display.
Into your view. With the Vuzix M4000, your business will work smarter, work safer, and be more productive. On the latest version of Android, making it compatible with many existing enterprise solutions and easy to build custom apps that transform how you work. Vuzix M4000 smart glasses. Work smarter, work safer, and be more productive.
Right in front of your eyes. Never miss the action with a built-in high-definition camera for capturing videos and beautiful pictures. Simple swipe and tap interactions let you control your view. Powerful Cobra display engines. USB and Bluetooth audio with built-in microphones. Open platform for third-party app integration. Be connected, stay informed, and never miss a shot.